Intention and Sincerity 4. In a divine narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6833, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever does a good deed will have a minimum of 10 times reward. Throughout Islamic teachings, different amounts of reward have been declared for performing righteous deeds. Some teachings advise 10 times reward like this narration, others 700 times, and in some cases a reward which cannot be counted. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 261.
The example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed of grain which grows 7 spikes, in each spike is 100 grains. And Allah multiplies His reward for whom He wills.
This varying reward is dependent on one's sincerity. The more sincere a person is, the more they will be rewarded. Meaning, the more they perform the righteous deed for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, the more they will be rewarded. For example, the one who only acts to please Allah, the Exalted, without desiring a lawful worldly blessing, will obtain more reward than the one who acts in order to please Allah, the Exalted, and seeks a lawful worldly blessing.